from sleeping stone. The first gold thread of morning weaves through towers carved alone. No fanfare marked the hands that laid each block with patient grace. Just rice paste lines and whispered chants to hold the sky in place. The jungle watched them work in hush, not for fame, but for faith. Angkor Wat, you rise not for kings, but for love. Every stone a promise from below to above. You glow not from the sun, but from the hands that knew how to build a heaven out of morning A backpack leans on ancient steps while eyes trace